Welcome back to another video of mine. My name is Sandy Boys, and in this topic I'll be talking about describe Gcash, Maya, and PayPal as financial platform technology. Compare the advantages and disadvantages. So let's get started with the Gcash. Gcash is a mobile wallet and online payment service in the Philippines, developed by MYNT Globe Fintech Innovation Inc., which is partnership between Globe Telecom and Financial and Ayala Corporation. Gcash allow users to pay bills, send money, purchase goods and services online, and in store, invest, save, and even get insurance. Gcash advantages. First, wide accessibility. Accessible via mobile app for both Android and iOS devices, making it available to a large segment of the population. Second, integration with local services. Extensive integration with local banks, merchants, and government services, enhancing usability in the Philippines. Third, range of financial services. Offer a various financial services including savings, investments, insurance, and loans. Fourth, convenience. Support QR code payments, mobile loan purchases, and remittances, which are convenient for daily transaction. Next, Gcash disadvantages. First is the transaction fees. Some transactions, especially withdrawals from Gcash to bank accounts, may incur fees. Second, limited international use, primarily focused on the Philippines, limiting its use for international transactions. Third, reliability issues. Occasional app downtime and transaction delays can affect user experience. And second is Maya, formerly known as PayMaya. Maya, previously known as PayMaya, is another mobile wallet and digital financial service provider in the Philippines. It offers a comprehensive suite and financial services, including payments, remittances, and banking features through the Maya Bank. Maya advantages. First is broad functionality. Offers similar services to Gcash, including online and offline payments, bank transfer, and bill payments. Second, banking services. Through Maya Bank Service, user can open saving accounts, get loans, and access other banking services directly within the app. Third, international payments. Support international payments and remittances, which is beneficial for user with global financial needs. Fourth, user-friendly interface, known for its easy-to-use app interface and seamless user experience. And the next is Maya disadvantages. First is competition. Strong competition from Gcash might limit user base growth. Second, transaction fees. Certain transactions may incur fees similar to Gcash. Third, coverage and adoption. While growing, it may not have as extensive merchant and service integration as Gcash in some areas. Next is the PayPal. PayPal is a global online payment system that supports online money transfer and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper method like checks and money order. It's widely used for online shopping, sending, and receiving money internationally, and is accepted by millions of merchants worldwide. PayPal advantages. First is the global reach, accepted in over 200 countries and support multiple currencies, making it ideal for international transactions. Second is security. Robust security features, including buyer protection and fraud detection, enhance user trust. Third is merchant integration, widely accepted by online merchants, making it convenient for e-commerce transactions. Fourth is ease of use. Simple to set up and use with seamless integration into many online shopping platforms. Next is the PayPal disadvantages. First, transaction fees. Fees for sending money, currency conversion, and receiving payment can be relatively high. Second, limited local services. While globally focused, it will not offer the same level of integration with local services and merchants in the Philippines as Gcash or Maya. Third, withdrawal delays. Transferring funds to local banks can take several days, which may be inconvenient for user needs to quick access to their money. And the next is comparison of advantages and disadvantages. First, as you can see in the picture, we have feature platform GCash, Maya, PayPal. First is the accessibility of the GCash is high, and the accessibility of Maya is high also, and same as with the PayPal. And the local integration with the GCash is extensive, the Maya is extensive also, and the PayPal is limited. And next is international use. So the GCash is limited, the Maya is moderate, and the PayPal is extensive. Next is transaction fees. First is the GCash, moderate. The Maya, moderate. The PayPal, high. Range of services. GCash, broad savings, investment, insurance. Maya, broad banking services. PayPal, moderate payment transfers. Security, GCash, good. Maya, good. PayPal, excellent. Next is the user interface. GCash, user friendly. Maya is also user friendly, and PayPal also user friendly. Next is the transaction speed. GCash is moderate, same with the Maya, moderate also, and the PayPal can be slow for withdrawals. Next is reliability. GCash occasional issues, Maya stable, PayPal stable. And next is the conclusion. Each platform has its unique strengths and weaknesses. GCash and Maya are more suited for local transaction within the Philippines, operate extensive integration with local services and merchants, while PayPal stand out for international transaction and global reach. Users should choose based on their specific needs, whether it's local convenience with GCash or Maya or international versatility with PayPal. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.